Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, my name is Anas. Today I am going to making my first vlog. So as you can see me, I came here in this village. So I saw there is a lot of farmers because I saw there is a lot of farmers. He was doing a lot of hard work. Yeah, I saw some farmers. He was cutting rice and he was cutting some things. So you can see, you can learn a lot of things by farmers. Suppose when you will go, in any village, after that you will see some farmers. So he will be cutting a lot of things. He will be growing a lot of trees. Yeah, we can say Kisan works hard every time. Yeah, if you want to, yeah, when you will come here, any village, any gaon, so you have seen, you will see a lot of things in this village. Yeah, so I was saying right now these things. If you want to make a holiday, so you can come any village, because when you will come any village, you will see in this village. Yeah, you will be making your holiday good. Yeah, so if you want to, if you want to make your holiday, you have to come, in this village. You have to come any place. So I was saying right now these things. When you will know about plants, after that you will be bought plants. Yeah, plants, it is very important thing. Yeah, I have said many times in my video these things. If you want to, if you will buy a tree, and you will keep in this home, so you will learn a lot. It will give you a lot of, fruits. Yeah, you can keep any plants. Yeah, so these things I have said many times. Yeah, plants, it is so important thing. You have to understand these things. If you will not understand these things, so you are going to wrong work. Yeah, you have to understand these things. So I came here in this village. I saw a lot of things. Yeah, I will learn. I learned a lot of things by farmers, because farmers works a lot of hard. Yeah, I have seen farmers, because you have seen a lot of farmers. uh, when he goes to anywhere. Suppose farmer going to own place, we can say other place. So you will see your you will see these farmers, because farmers do not fear, because farmer do not have fear. Yeah, farmers works hard every time. Yeah, you can see a lot of farmers. Yeah, when you will see a lot of farmers, after that you will learn a lot of things by farmers. So you have to understand these things, because when you will understand these things, after that you will learn a lot of things. So so in my video I was saying right now these things. If you want to, so I was saying right now these things. If you want to make your holiday, you can come in this village, because I have learned a village. Yeah, there will be a lot of plants. Yeah, because you have seen a lot of farmers. You have seen a lot of village boys, because he works hard. Yeah, he works hard many times. He works hard many times. Yeah, so you can see a lot of farmers, but you are not going to any village, because when you will go any village, after that you will see a lot of things in this village. Yeah, so I have made some these blog. If you will like my vlog, you can subscribe my channel. I will meet you next video. Thank you so much.